Did you know that the Forex market has a daily transaction volume of $6.6 trillion? Yeah, that's right, $6.6 trillion. This huge volume makes Forex the largest and the most liquid financial market in the whole world. But why so? That's because the Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 times a week, with trading centers located in the major financial hubs around the globe. From New York to London, from Tokyo to Sydney, the market is always on. Traders from different time zones ensure that the Forex market remains active around the clock, and there is a lot of transactions made by the traders around the world. But now, who are these traders? They're actually people who exchange currency to make a profit. They make a profit from the constant fluctuation in the price of the currency that they want to trade. And another interesting fact is that traders do not only exchange currencies, but they can as well trade things like, for example, gold, silver, crude oil, or crypto. If all of that sounds a little bit confusing, don't worry, because in the next episode we'll break it down completely for you. So if you want to become an informed trader, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, like, share this video, and of course stay tuned for the next episodes.